Hello, I'm Jason Jarrett. I'm the Loveland Ford Delivery Specialist for Dutch Miller Subaru, and I'm here today with a quick tech tip for you.
On Subarus, you might have a screen here above the touchscreen that can show you the weather. Now, on your screen, you might be looking at this and see it's on New York City. Well, today I'm going to show you how to fix that. Now, you'll find weather. It's in apps, and it's going to be in the SiriusXM Travel Link app. Now, I just want to mention, you don't have to have this fancy screen up here for your car to have the SiriusXM Travel Link, okay? Now, SiriusXM Travel Link is a separate service that the satellite radio company does. When you buy a brand new Subaru, you will get a free trial to the satellite radio and also this. Now, when I go into this, one of the first things you'll see is we can get fuel prices for gas stations. And when I click on one of those, you'll see it's set to Brooklyn, New York. So to change that, hit change location, come down to West Virginia. Now, it doesn't do every single city in the United States, but it does major cities. So just select the one that you live the closest to. So we'll select Charleston for this one. And then this has to reload. And then in a few minutes, it'll have gas station prices for the local areas. Now, we've also got a sports section for sports fans. And if you're really into the stock market, well, you can also follow your stocks from the car. Now at the very end is where we're going to find the weather. And like I was saying, set to New York. So locations. Now with the weather, this is different from the fuel. I can actually save multiple locations. So if you do some traveling, you can save other cities. So we'll hit add a new location. And at the bottom, go back to West Virginia. And then I'm just going to select Charleston for this one. And then I'm going to hit back. Then just pick the one you want, Charleston. And there you go. And then you'll see up the screen up at the top just now changed as well. And I've got 3 to 6. And I can also see a 5-day forecast as well right there. Now I did want to mention if your car is equipped with navigation, this Travel Link actually can work kind of together with the navigation. So the weather and the fuel prices are going to change as you drive to the closest major city. So if you've got navigation, you don't have to worry about this. If you don't have navigation, here's how you can change those two things.
Thanks for watching our tech tip today. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe to our Facebook, YouTube. And if you enjoyed this video, also give us a comment in the comment section below. And if you'd like to see other videos like this about other things on your Subaru, leave us a note. Maybe we'll make a video on that in the future.